How to create an account on Twitch. Creating an account on Twitch is simple. You need to first of all install. So go to your respective app store, type in Twitch and click on the install button. When you're done installing the app, click on the open button. And now you have to begin with the registration. So as per the registration, you click onto the sign up button, and there you could either go with your email address or use your phone number, or maybe sign up with your Google or sign up with Amazon or sign up with Apple ID. Select one of these method and follow the on-screen prompt. So I'm gonna go for the email. So click on the continue button, set a username and password and the date of birth to verify your age as well. Now then, you go ahead and enter in your date of birth. Click on sign up button. As you click on the sign up button, you could go ahead and save your password as well, and you then begin with the terms and condition. Read all the terms and condition clearly, set a profile or create a profile picture and all that stuff, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile. And that is how you'll be able to create an account on Twitch. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.